Hey guys, welcome back. As you remember, well, in our last video we were talking about different Xitsonga jars that were used back then and are still used today. I have got one wooden jar that we call it Ndzheko. It is also used to store water and our traditional beer, that is Domboti and Wukani. It also makes the beer to be a little bit cold if you have stored it for much time. And also when you store water, the water, it's always cool. It won't even become hot even if you leave it for a day, for the whole day, and it is stored there. It will still be cool or cold. So I will be showing you our Ndzheko now. This is our Ndzheko. As you can see, we plant this in our yard, on our fences. That's where we plant it. This is, we plant them, and then sometimes like they just plant themselves. When there is rain, they just plant themselves. But then they also have seeds. If you want them, you just plant them. By then they come in a greenish way when they are still raw. So by then when you like unplug them and then leave them for some few days, then they now become brown, as like it's getting dry. When they get dry, they become this brown, as you can see. Then there will be seeds inside. By then we use a spoon or a knife to remove those seeds. Then we dry them. Then after they have dried and they are ready to be used, they are like this, as you can see. They are very strong. By then like they can be broken. If you don't put them in the right place, they can be broken. As you can see, we store our water, our traditional beer in them, and then our marula, wukani, and then our elders used to drink with it as their jar. So like they used to drink with it and share with other men that they are drinking with, or just other people that you will be drinking with. So one person will just sip, then pass it to the other person, then the other person will also sip, then pass it to the other person. So like sharing was caring from this wooden jar.